today I will teach you Black Girl Magic 101, how to slay your edges. So before I get started, I have to show you the materials we need. We will need equal styling gel, and or you can use edge control. This is the 24-hour edge tamer. And also you will need a toothbrush. And you're probably wondering, why do I use a toothbrush? A toothbrush in the Black community is very significant other than just brushing your teeth. You can use it to lay your baby hairs, what we call edges, down to show a nice look. I use a toothbrush to move my baby hairs away from my head. And you can see I have braids, so it's easier to find where it, like which one is my edges. So you just take it out of the hair and make sure you have most of it out to easy. If I really want to get fancy and make sure it's extra hold, I can take edge control, which is, this is specifically made for your hair, your edges. So I just use my finger for this part and
a different way to lay your edges, because you know sometimes I like to get a little fancy and throw some swoops in there. So the first thing that I do is the same thing that Jada said, just pull the baby hairs down for the edges. And I'm just kind of gonna get a feel for what they want to do today, because they act different on different days. So my favorite part, the edge control. So I don't use my finger, and I feel like Jada's gonna get mad at me for dipping her toothbrush in this, but I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna dip her toothbrush in the edge control because that's how